Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, and from the thinness of its design to the AI features which this watch has, especially features like the AI coach and the antioxidants, oh my god, to the sweat monitoring, which is one of the best features which I think all watches should have. This watch is a real beast for its cost. So let's get into the video. Let's look at this watch. And before we do that, do subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, and don't forget to like the video. We need to take this channel to 1 million subscribers, and with your subscription, that would be possible. So let's get into the video and check out the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. So first, let's talk about the design of the watch. The watch has got a very bright AMOLED display where you can actually see everything in the direct sun, which is a killer thing to have nowadays and with these smartwatches. And even in a sunlight like what you have in Dubai, this is really doing well. Now the watch, literally when you put it on, it feels as if you're not wearing anything because it's extremely light and it's got a nice thin design. Apart from that, the watch's battery life, which we will talk about, is something which you really should consider, along with the ease of use which Samsung has put in with this nice spherical circle kind of a design where you have a bezel which is there. Many people don't like this, but I genuinely fancy this because it's a very nice feature to have. So all of this really takes care of the entire experience of the watch. Okay, now let's talk about the battery. And battery is something which is key, which in a watch, in a smartwatch, it is very necessary. And when I talk about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, you have a battery life which is like a rock. Okay, so with right now, as you can see, it's 93% available and it is going to last me 2 days 9 hours. Even if we don't believe 2 days 9 hours, but if I reduce the 9 hours out of the equation, we still have 2 days of battery life left, which is far superior than any other smartwatch with so many features. So this is really good. Also, it is giving an option of power saving, which then makes the watch go to 4 days. What is going to happen in that? It's going to turn off gesture, always on display, and Wi-Fi. But apart from that, it is going to limit performance, decrease brightness, blah. So all of this will obviously take a toll, but 4 days, fantastic. You can actually take a short trip with this watch, charge it at 100%, turn on power saving. It turned off the display because it's on power saving, but it will still track your health features and you can shut it down with that, or you can track it, whatever. So all of it with good amount of battery life. Don't you think that is something which is absolutely crazy? And now let me give you my verdict of this. On my usage with workouts, daily tracking and everything, this watch lasts me 2 days. And that is why I'm saying let's leave 9 hours out of the equation. 2 days is something which the watch will easily give you. What do you think? Let's look at the antioxidants, and for that I am going to go to Samsung Health, and over here I'm going to tap on antioxidants. Okay, how do you measure it? Let's look at that as well. So obviously it's connected to your phone. You press the pad firmly at the back over here. Okay, and yeah, that's how you actually check it. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's go back and say measure, and while we do, so it vibrated and it gave me a measure, and as you can see, it's saying that it's very low, which is not good. And here, if you see, you have show on phone, how to measure, and note. Here you can even note your antioxidant level. But the sensors really work fine, and yeah, you have to take out the watch to measure it. But to be frank, this feature is actually really nice if you actually want to know what is the antioxidant level. Okay, then it has got features like vascular load and everything. So as soon as you start using the watch more, it will show you all of that. It's got your metabolic health. Obviously, again, if you start using the watch, everything will start coming in. So that is something which is there. And here you can see that it's a metabolic health which reflects on your biological age, and it can do results and trends, etc., all of it. So it's on right now, but obviously this is something which needs to be done over time. Okay, now coming down to for women, you can even do cycle tracking, so that's there, but that's almost there in all phones. You have workout, you have sleep, all of it. It is absolutely crazy on the amount of features which Samsung has baked in such a thin design, and I am really loving it. Okay, now more AI features. Let's look at the voice recorder. Okay, now here it is absolutely crazy because this transcribes your voice. So let's hear it out. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. How are you today? Okay, so it's got it, and now it will save it on the device which you have, but it's also going to transcribe it. It's going to write everything down, and it's going to get transcribed. So if you have a certain kind of a recording or a meeting which you have to record, then the watch can easily get it done for you. Okay, apart from that, it has got other features, like obviously it's got compass, weather, and all of that, which come into the picture. One thing which I wanted to show you is Gemini. Okay, now Gemini is again a very useful feature because right now it's saying that it's not connected, but with Gemini you can actually toggle commands. You can do everything from your watch itself, which is a big achievement to have, because we all know Siri and what Siri can do. So Gemini on a Samsung watch is absolutely amazing. The other thing which I really liked is that you have a full view Gmail, a full view of WhatsApp, which you don't have most of the watches. But obviously these are Wear OS features, but I just thought let me highlight it for you. So what do you think about it so far? Let me know down in the comment section. And now let's go to the next part. So one thing which I want to highlight, that there are multiple things where you need a Samsung phone to monitor stuff. Like if you want to monitor your ECG, you will need a Samsung watch. The watch does not do it with any other Android phone, and for iOS users it is a complete limitation because the watch just does not connect. So that is something which you need to keep in mind. iOS users out there, if you want to buy a Samsung Galaxy watch, you need to get a Samsung phone or at least an Android phone to get at least so much from your watch. So is this a good thing? I don't know. I will leave it for you to decide. But to be frank, this watch is absolutely a beast at the cost which it is, the entire size which it has, the fit, the finishing, the materials which it uses, the features. It is absolutely amazing to have. So guys, this was my perspective on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8. And if you want me to compare it with another watch, let me know down in the comment section. I'm happy to do so. By the way, there is a discount which Samsung has given to my viewers, so that is you. So if you want to grab this at a fraction of the cost, you should definitely look at it, and the links in the description. Let's talk on it. And that's all from this video. Thanks for watching.